YouTubers, welcome back, and today we're going to do the drawing for the fuel system. Right here I have a little coffee can with the names in there, as you can see. Let me go ahead and show you guys what's going on with that real quick. So right here we have the names. So let's go ahead and give it a good shake. Shakety, shakety, shakety. All right, so whoever's name I pull out of here is going to be the winner. And it's very important to note that when I pull the name out of here, you got 24 hours to contact me on my Facebook so I can get your address and make sure I ship that out to you. If not, then the next day, 24 hours later, I will be pulling another name out of this. So let's go ahead and get down to it. I'm going to reach in here. All right. This is going to be the winner. Let me put it right there, as you can see. And let me put the camera next to that and I'll open it up and we'll get that name. All right, so here we go. And the lucky winner is to get a focus on this. Bill Antelek. Mr. Sparker's fuel system would work great on my 70 Nova with a 1966 396 11-to-1 compression, 3800 stall, 410 gears. She loves to shift at 7,000. All right, well, Mr. Bill, go ahead and contact me on Facebook, get your address, and we will get that fuel system shipped out. All right, so for all the guys that feel bad about not winning anything, don't worry, I never win anything also, but you're gonna have another chance to win something else, which is right down here. Let's take a look. So what we have here is a carburetor in a box. Don't worry, I'm not gonna give it to you just like this. I'm gonna make a video on how to rebuild a carburetor, all the things you wanna check and how you wanna put it together so you can learn to rebuild a carburetor for one. And not only that, when this carburetor is rebuilt, I'm going to give this carburetor away to a lucky winner also. So don't forget to subscribe to my videos and wait for this down the line because this will be my next giveaway. All right, Bill. Don't forget to look for me on Facebook on TPV or Tyler's Total Video on Facebook and message me up. I will post your name as a winner on my Facebook also. I will get your address and we will ship the fuel system out. That is right over here. Actually, here. Uh-oh, where is it? Oh, here it is. That is now yours, buddy. I'll see you on Facebook. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell for notifications, and that like button. Keep on wrenching, and peace.